na-play niya yung culture ng Dabawenya niya dito. Alagang-alaga niya kami dito. So mga tao, you should tweet it right now. I-tweet nyo si Gigi Era na thank you for caring. Thank you for caring.
Taking care, tanga.
Thank you for taking care of our Filipina goddess. Hashtag Tiyanak ng Pinas. Yes. But now, she's officially a Tiyanak of the Australia because there's no Tiyanak here. Only Gigi Era, ha?
Thank you, Meg.
Meg, do you know how to do